So we have one pharmaceutical problem, and the problem is we have to. It's very simple. We just have to know about the formula to calculate ideal body weight. So the information is we have to calculate adult ideal weight of a male with height of 192 centimeters and with heavy frame. With heavy frame. I will write down the formula that we are going to use. So ideal body and gender is male. Ideal body weight is actually equal to, in case of male 50 plus, you have to add 0.9 into every centimeter over 152 centimeters. This is the formula. And for heavy frame, IBW for heavy frame, and for male, formula will be equal to 50 plus 0.9 into every centimeter over 152 centimeter multiplied by 1.10. This is for heavy frame. In case of light frame it will be 0.90, and in case of medium frame it will be equal to the base medium weight. So now we will calculate. We have to multiply entire value of, means this much value, with 1.10. So 50 plus 0.9 into every centimeter over 152. So height given is 192. 192 minus 152, 192 minus 152 equals 40. In whole we have to multiply with 1.10. So 50 plus 40 multiplied by 0.90 or 0.9, it will be 36, whole to be multiplied with 1.10. 50 plus 36 will be equal to 86, and now we have to multiply with 1.10, and answer will be 94.6 kg. So now we have to calculate body surface area, and given data is height, that is equal to 192 centimeters again, and frame is average frame, and gender is male. So formula to calculate body surface area is height in centimeters multiplied by ideal body weight divided by 3600 whole under root. So we have to calculate this one as well, ideal body weight. In this case, ideal body weight will be equal to base medium weight, equal to base medium weight, means at the end we don't need to multiply it with 1.10 or 0.90. So the formula to calculate this one is in case of male is 50 plus 0.9 into each centimeter over 152 centimeter. So this is the formula. So now we have to calculate it. We will not multiply it with the 1.10 because we are told that frame is average. So 50 plus 0.9 into 192 minus 152 is equal to 40. So 40, 50 plus 0.9 into 40, that equals 36, and 50 plus 36 equals 86. So 86 kg is the ideal body weight. Now we have to put this value in the BSA formula. What was the formula? We have to write it again. BSA is equal to height in centimeter multiplied by ideal body weight divided by 3600 whole under root. Implies that height is equal to 192 centimeters multiplied by ideal body weight, that is 86, divided by 3600 whole under root. So 192 into 86, 16512 divided by 3600 whole under root, divide it with 3600, we will get 4.58 under root of 4.5867 under root of 4.5867 is equal to 2.14, and the answer will be in meter square. Right, so this is the answer. Why answer is in meter square? Because we are already multiplying it with 3600, so there is no need to convert 192 centimeters into meters. So let's discuss another problem in which it says Katy is a small framed female and has an ideal weight of so ideal body weight is given. Ideal body weight is 46.5 kg and patient is female. So we have to find height of Katy. How tall is Katy? So easy question but tricky at the same time, because we are given with ideal body weight, patient is female, and yeah, what about frame? So frame is light. What is the formula to calculate ideal body weight for female? That is actually equal to, and female with light frame, again for the light frame I will write in short LF. So IBW is equal to base medium weight multiplied by 0.9 in case of LF or in case of light frame. We know about ideal body weight, that is 46.5 equals to base medium weight multiplied by 0.9. We will shift this 0.9 to other side here, so it will be 46.5 divided by 0.9 is equal to base medium weight. So 46.5 divided by 0.9, it will be 51.67. So base medium weight is equal to 51.67 kg. Our next step is to calculate height. So we know that base, medium, weight or ideal body weight of average frame is equal to, in case of female, it is equal to 45.5 plus 0.9 into each centimeter above 152 centimeter. So for example, height is 154, then we will multiply 2 with 0.9. If it is 156, we will multiply 4 with 0.9, and so on. So we don't know that what's the height of Katy. We have to find that. Base medium weight we have already found, that is 51.67, that is equal to 45.5 plus 0.9. Here for the simplification I will write this factor as x. Now 51.67, here it is plus, if we shift it to the other side it will be minus 45.5 is equal to 0.9x. So 51.67 minus 45.5, it will be equal to 6.16. 6.167 is equal to 0.9x. We will shift 0.9x to other side. So 0.167 divided by 0.9 is equal to x. Implies that x is equal to, so we have to divide 0.167 with the 0.9, and answer is 6.85. So this is in centimeter. This much centimeters are, so how can we calculate height of Katy from this factor? Katy's height is equal to, so here we had to write each centimeter above 152. So Katy is 6.85 centimeter above from 152. So Katy's height will be equal to 152 plus 6.85 plus 152, and answer is 158.85, that is almost equal to 159 centimeters, and this is the correct answer. So another problem, and this one is related to BMI. We have to find the BMI in which patient's height is 163 centimeters and weight is 57 kg. We have to tell that if it is underweight, overweight, obese, or normal. So we know about the BMI formula, but before that we have to convert height into meter square. So it will be 1.63 meters. I was talking about meter square, so we can calculate it within the BMI formula. BMI is equal to weight in kg divided by height in meters, and we have to take square of it. Weight of patient is 57 kg, height is 1.63, and we have to take square of it. So if we take square of 1.63 into 1.63, it will be 2.6569. I have to write it as a denominator. 2.6569 and 57 divided by 2.6569. 57 divided by 2.6569 6569 will be equal to 21.45 kg per meter square. So this is the BMI, and it's better not to write the unit because it's ratio. So 21.45 is actually normal BMI, so patient has normal weight because normal range is 20 to 25, and this one 21.45 lies in between 20 and 45. We have next example of pharmaceutical calculations in which we have to calculate BMI, or you can say we have to calculate weight, such kind of weight of the patient that he has to lose to be in the healthy BMI weight range. So height is 183 centimeter, that becomes 1.83 meters. Weight is 98 kg. So we have to find how many kg to lose to be in the safe range of BMI. For that purpose, we must know BMI formula, that is BMI is equal to weight in kg divided by height square, and height unit should be meters. So BMI normal range is 20 to 25, so we have to pick the least possible, and that will be 24. So our target range will be, our target value of BMI will be 24 in this case. Weight we have to calculate for 24 BMI, and height is 1.83, that will remain constant. Of course, we have to take square of it. So if we take square of 1.83, it will be equal to 3.3489. Weight over 3.3489. We will multiply 3.3489 with 24. So we can write that weight is equal to 24 into 3.3489, and weight is equal to 24, weight is equal to 80.3736 kg. Now this is the total weight patient has to gain. His, so we can say healthy weight is equal to current weight minus, we can say ideal, or healthy, no, kgs to lose is equal to current weight minus ideal weight or healthy weight. So current weight is 98 kg minus ideal weight is 80.3736. So 98 minus 80.3736, it will be equal to 17.62, or you can round it off to 18 kg. So 18 kg needs to be loose.